Got a stack of old DVDs gathering dust, but no way to watch them on your phone, tablet, or modern laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily convert your DVDs to MP4 using WinX DVD Ripper. WinX DVD Ripper is a popular utility from DigiRD, a company with 2 decades of experience in the multimedia space. This software is designed to take your physical discs, ISO images, or DVD folders and turn them into highly compatible digital files like MP4 using either H.264 or HEVC codecs. What makes this tool stand out is its speed. Thanks to Level 3 hardware acceleration, it can back up a DVD in as little as 5 minutes without melting your computer's CPU. It also handles tough tasks like 99 title DVDs, which often confuse other basic rippers. Using it is incredibly simple. You just load your DVD, select your output format, and let it run. Tech reviewer Mark Wilson highlights how useful the built-in profiles are. Instead of guessing complicated video settings, you can just select a profile tailored for your specific mobile device or social media platform, and the software handles the rest. Another reviewer, Rick Broida, called it a powerful utility to turn your DVDs into digital files with 0 strings attached. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons based on the available data. On the positive side, it is incredibly fast, highly reliable for diverse disk types, and very beginner-friendly. On the downside, our independent user review data is currently limited, so we can't share a broad consensus of everyday user feedback. We do know, however, that while there is a free trial, you will need the paid version to successfully and easily unlock the full, unrestricted ripping capabilities. If you want to rescue your physical media collection and take it on the go, head over to winxdvd.com to download the software and try it out for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments how many DVDs you have left to digitize. See you in the next video.